Jump it. Jump it. Finally got on the run. Go, Pepper. There you go, girl. Sounding good, huh? Yeah, hit that nose. There you go, girl. That rabbit's coming right towards me. Yeah, I'm telling you. Sounding good, though. There you go, Pep. You go, Willie. Bet that thing crossed behind the truck, Wolf. Go now, stand there and come this way. Okay, stand over here and up it goes over. Yep, so it is. Car Willie right in the front. Hang it on, son. Right on, son. That thing just go behind me. You coming out here? I seen something go behind me. That thing shot right through there. Sure did. Oh, if I stood there, I'd seen it. Went on up in front of the truck. Pepper sounding good there. Oh, Willie, there you go, Pepper.